In this video, I'm going to teach you how to factory reset Oculus Quest 2 controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are encountering problems while using your Oculus Quest 2, either the headset or the controllers, you can perform a factory reset. This will reset all of the settings on these devices to the factory new preset. So essentially, it's as if you were using them for the first time. So I'm going to showcase how you can perform a full factory reset on both the headset and the controllers. First of all, power off the headset. So before starting, make sure that your Oculus Quest 2 is powered off. So press and hold the power button and ensure that they are completely off. With this done, you need to power them back on again. However, you need to press the power button alongside the volume down button. So you need to press both of these buttons simultaneously. By pressing these buttons simultaneously, instead of going over to the default boot screen, you will actually go into this USB update mode. Essentially, this is a recovery tool that gives you plenty of options, including, as you can see here on the second one, factory reset. So all that you have to do is choose factory reset from the list of options. When you select this option here, it is going to prompt you, factory reset erases all data and cannot be reversed. If you are okay with this, go ahead and choose the option to perform the factory reset. This will reset not only the actual headset, but also the controllers. But it's critical that you are aware that every single piece of data will be erased. So if there is something that you would like to back up beforehand, do so now. And as long as you perform this, the controllers will be reset. Then you can pair them up again and see if it works. If it still does not work, I would recommend taking the battery off of the controller and leaving them to sit idle for about 10 minutes. Then put the battery back in and see if they work properly after that. If they still do not connect, even after a factory reset and resetting them by removing the batteries, then I would recommend talking to the Meta or the Oculus customer support to get this resolved, because you could have a faulty unit. I hope I was able to help you on how to factory reset Oculus Quest 2 controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.